Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video.
South Peak Road.
Imagine how bad it could have been for the driver if he wasn't able to brake in time. Always expect the worst.
Get in your own lane. Whoa. Whoa.
Just give it time. I'll lose my own life if I want to.
The reaction time from this driver to start reversing immediately prevented a collision.
Buddy.
Fun fact, that beep that you hear in reflection is a radar, and it's sensing a KA signal, which typically means that a cop is nearby. This driver had the most delayed reaction time. That tall wing must have hit a wall of wind to stop that car. Never trust a green light. Although this is not as serious, cutting lanes usually results in a wider turn, which can be risky when drivers from the opposing side of the road are trying to turn in it. Tesla gets cut off by Tesla. The nicest truck.
My friend knows our relationship didn't end well, so I was pretty hurt when I found out she was honoring him by naming her son after me. She told me that Luca was a name she'd loved forever, and that Luke is someone who is a really important part of Vans.
I cannot be the only one seeing Vans being almost on the same levels as Teslas when it comes to being prone to stereotypes.
Special or creative because I'm There's a car here doing an illegal U-turn. Please get them.
Being productive.
Get them,
and
get
I felt that way
them.
in school as well. Like, you're always going to be, I was Amina, you're always going to be, you're going to be good at enough to get it done and get it done well, and the teachers love you. But then I would look at,
What do they stop me? Or somebody please run it.
Run it. Oh. Go get him. Go. Nope. Okay. Nope.
And
You
then
just
outside
don't,
of
nope.
work,
You just don't do our job.
That must have been an awkward period of time waiting at that stoplight. Why is it so hard to just miss an exit and take the next one? Locking up your brakes in a canyon can be very bad. That's exactly what happened here. This is why you don't run a green light that's not an arrow and there's traffic around. Imagine how awkward that must have been. I don't park often, but when I do it in great style. I think that trailer is in better condition than the car.
You get it? I'm recording. How's he towing that fucking thing? How's he towing it? Oh, that's kind of
The two idiots decide to become friends. Sometimes I seriously wonder how people decide to road rage when they're clearly in the wrong. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.